Good morning, everyone. Greetings from the beautiful Bali Island. We hope to find you well and always happy. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Well, ladies and gentlemen, today we are going to explore the best of Island with another Bali 13 hours round trip, visiting stunning places in the west part of the island. This tour package provides free pickup and drop-off at major selection hotels.
Welcome to Bali. Sit nicely. Discover the magical of the island with friendly and professional tour guide.
Our first visit is an iconic Taman Ayun Mengwi Royal Family Temple, and then cool Bedugul Highland. Then the iconic Ulun Danu Lake Beratan Temple, and then iconic Bali Handara Gate for amazing photo shoot. And then the iconic Tanah Lot the offshore Sinat Temple. And then the Kecak dance show can be watched at Tanah Lot area during the sunset. After the tour, the guide will transfer you back to the hotel. Well, ladies and gentlemen, following is the full itinerary of the package. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we look forward to discovering the best of Bali with you. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day ahead.
Taman Ayun Temple. The temple is situated in Mengwi village, Badung, Bali. It's about 90 minutes drive from Bali International Airport, DPS. It is a stunning 17th century royal temple complex surrounded by a wide moat, giving it a floating appearance. Built in 1634 by the Mengwi kingdom, it served as a family temple for royalty and a place of worship. The temple features traditional Balinese architecture with multi-tiered shrines, meru. Bedugul Mountain Highland. Bedugul is a scenic highland region in Bali, nestled in the mountains near Lake Beratan at an altitude of about 1,500 meters above sea level. Known for its cool climate, lush greenery, and stunning landscapes, it is a popular retreat from Bali's coastal heat. Key attractions include the iconic Ulun Danu Beratan Temple, a picturesque water temple on Lake Beratan, and the Bali Botanic Garden, the largest in Indonesia. Bedugul also offers fresh produce markets, strawberry farms, and recreational activities like boating and hiking. Its serene atmosphere and natural beauty make it a must-visit destination for nature lovers. The Handara Gate. The Handara Gate, located in Bali's Bedugul Highlands, is an iconic Instagram-famous spot framed by towering traditional Balinese gates and lush green hills. Originally the entrance to Handara Golf Resort, its majestic design and misty mountain backdrop create a mystical, photogenic setting. Often called the other Bali Gateway to Heaven, it symbolizes Bali's natural beauty and tranquility. Visitors flock here for stunning sunrise shots and serene vibes, making it one of Bali's most recognizable landmarks, despite its simple origins as a golf course entrance. And then visit Green Coffee Luwak Garden Tour, a plantation where Luwak, civet cat coffee, is produced, one of the world's most expensive coffees. After a short garden tour with the coffee expert guide, guests are served and offered a free tastings of Bali's traditional coffees and teas products. If you would like to buy a cup of the Luwak coffee is available optionally. Tanah Lot Temple. Tanah Lot Temple is one of Bali's most iconic and sacred sea temples, perched on a dramatic rocky outcrop along the southwestern coast. Known for its stunning sunset views, the temple is dedicated to the sea gods and is a key pilgrimage site for Balinese Hindus. Surrounded by crashing waves, the temple becomes isolated during high tide, adding to its mystical charm. Visitors can explore the nearby caves and freshwater springs believed to have healing powers. The temple complex also features cultural performances and local markets. With its rich spiritual significance and breathtaking scenery, Tanah Lot is a must-visit destination in Bali. Well, after the tour, the guide will transfer you back to the hotel. Well, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for watching our short tour video. We hope you have more knowledge for the best holiday and travel plan to Bali. For more details or to make bookings, please open the link on the description. Looking forward to exploring the best of Bali with you. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day. BaliWonder.com, professional travel planner with affordable fares.